Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to use Cocoapods. In order to install Cocoapods, we have to run this command. Okay, then go to terminal, then type sudo jam install Cocoapods. It will ask for your password for your MacBook. Then it will install the Cocoapods. Take few minutes. The Cocoapods be installed. Now, in order to add pods in your Xcode project, you have to create a new Xcode project. Go to the Xcode, create new project, select single view application. The application we will be building in our next project. It will be a Google Maps, so I will create application for this. Google Maps tutorial. Okay, Swift. Okay, storyboard. Then click next. Select the destination for your project. Our Xcode project has been created. Now what we have to do, we have to add the pod file in this project. So in order to do this, we will navigate to the project directory. Just hold on a second. Let's navigate to the project directory. Project Xcode. It is my project directory. Pod in it. It will create a pod file in our project. If we go to this directory, the project pod file has been created in our directory. Open this pod file. Here, after this line, we will add all our pods here. Now let's say we have to install Google Maps pods. Then go to the documentation for in the Google Maps. Here we have Google Maps pod and Google Places pods. We will add these lines in our pod file. Then save this pod file. Then go to terminal, type pod install. The pods for the Google Maps been installed successfully. Now we will close this dialog project and will open the workspace project. Yeah, we are good to go.